bitches, I just raised my price. I'm a boss, I'm a leader. I pull up in my two-seater, and my mama was a savage. Nigga got this shit from Tina. Left cheek, right cheek. Please don't get me hype.
What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So I decided I wanted to get into an install with you guys. I'm using all Boho products, and let me tell y'all that this is the truth. I'm using Boho lace tint. I'm using Boho liquid gold. This hair is from FinesseMe Co. I'm loving it. I'm loving the lace and everything. I'm gonna show you guys how it goes all in this video. So if you want to see how I got this beautiful install, just continue watching. Before we get into this video, subscribe to my channel. Come to join the Emmy gang because it's a little inside. You already know. Also, add me on social media. Everything's gonna be in the description box down below. So follow me and I'll follow you back. We're gonna get right into this video, y'all. Alright, y'all. Y'all already know you gotta start with the bowl cap. I use my do-grow to, you know, grease my scalp because you don't want it to be dry and brittle. You already know. So I'm using a nylon stocking, and these stockings are the truth. You already know. And I'm using all Boho products. It's all gonna be in the description box down below. Now this stocking is super amazing because it literally gives you the best melt you would ever think you're gonna have. Okay, like we just gonna put it on. And then just continue to work from there. And you're gonna put your hole in ears and all that good stuff. Let me know down in the description below if you want me to do like a in-depth video on how to do your nylon cap. So we're using Boho Liquid Gold, and I love using this product because you can take it off with water. I don't use glue on my edges. That's what, you know, could possibly, you know, mess them up. So I just don't do it. I use the Boho Liquid Gold, and I also don't use the Got to Be spray because the alcohol, it would get in your follicles and that would just destroy them. So we gonna do the safe thing here. So go get you some liquid gold. Also, if you want to use this to lay your wig down, your wig will last for like a good 2 to 3 days. It might last 5 because that's the longest I've ever gone with Boho Liquid Gold when it comes to installing my wigs. So I'm using the Boho lace tint in medium brown. I'm just gonna spray that so it matches. I really wish I didn't do this because it was a little darker when I sprayed it. Like it was literally just good with just me using the liquid gold, but whatever. Let's go. Let's do this. And I'm just gonna dry that up real quick. Make sure it's all dry. We're gonna cut the stocking. And you can get this stocking from like any store. You can get it from Macy's. You can get it from Dwayne Reed, like beauty supply store. You literally can get this anywhere. Like it's not hard to find. It's not difficult, and it's not expensive. It's giving like $5 for like 2 pairs of stockings. So you can do a lot of looks with that. So I'm just gonna cut that off. You already know. Cut that excess. I'm gonna get melty. You can cut the little excess pieces off, of course. I got a big forehead, so I don't even do all this, but I be doing it anyway because I need it to be flawless and snatched. I'm gonna cut the back off. I don't need all that extra cap on me. So this is the wig from FinesseMe Co. It's Lilac Dreams. It's a full lace wig. It has 4 combs, 1 in the back, 2 on the side, 1 in the middle. And we're just gonna put that bad boy on. And look at how it melts already. Like, I don't have any lace tint on it yet. But do you see that? Do you see that, sis? Okay, you need to shop with some FinesseMe Co, okay? Because they lace is lit. It's mad soft. It's durable. I love it. Like, and this is a full lace wig. So I'm going to leave the website down in the description box down below so you can check it out. And, yeah, get you one. So we're going to tint that lace because you already know you want it to match. You don't ever want your lace to not match your skin. That's how you get the perfect melt. So I'm using Boho Skin Protector, and I like using this because it doesn't make my skin itch. I feel like when I don't use this, my skin gets itchy, and I just don't like that. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to protect the skin. So I'm going on with my Boho Extreme, and this is the first layer I'm going. You don't need a lot. Just like literally ignore that I'm using a lot of glue because you don't need all that glue. I'm beasting. I'm doing too much. But we're going to put it on anyways. You feel me? We're going to blend that out. Make sure it's all one even layer. Do not let that dry in dots because you're going to be so tight trying to blend that out and it's going to be white and ugly. So we're doing the second layer. Again, you don't need all that glue. You literally could just put a little bit on your back of your comb or your popsicle stick, whatever you got, and you literally just need to just drag it down. Put a dot and drag it. Put 2 dots and drag it. Don't do too much like I be doing. I be doing a lot. So this is the 3rd layer. And you don't really need to dry this glue. I only dried it in the video because I put so much glue, as you can see. So it was like, you need to hurry up and dry. And with this layer, I'm doing this layer in sections. And I'm just spreading it out, of course. I'm doing the top first. Well, I'm doing the front first. And yeah, we're going to get into it. We want to make sure it's an even layer, y'all. Like, so you want to make sure it's, you know, nice and even. So when you lay it down, it's not giving lopsided on one side. And then you're going to pull that down. You're just going to lay that lace right where that glue starts. And you're just going to put it on. Don't really use your fingers, use the comb, but I know how to use my fingers where it's not going to turn white. You know what I'm saying? So I use my hands. But, of course, I go with the comb and pat it in. All that good stuff. You know, you got to make sure it's melted to your skin. And I just make sure it's on. Let me know down in the description box down below what products y'all use. Like, do y'all use boho? Do y'all use other products? I mean, I don't really know any other products besides boho. But, yeah, just let me know. So, you want to make sure it's nice and flawless, of course. Take your time with this. You do not want to rush your frontal or your closure install. Like, take your time, man. You ain't got nowhere to go. Not yet. So, I'm doing my layer on the other side. Once again, too much glue. Like, you don't need all that. Like, it's giving you doing too much, sis. But who cares? We about to have this wig snatched anyways. So, you're going to take your time. You're going to pull that hair back. You don't want the hair to be, like, in front of the lace and nothing. My wig is not all the way prepped. Like I said, I'm, like, kind of... I'm not going to call myself an expert, but I'm good at this, so I don't really need to do all that. I can still, like, lay my lace, and it don't need to be super prepped. So I'm using my comb to smooth that down. See how it's melting? Do you see that, sis? Do you see that melt? Like, it's dead giving. Like, yes, it's blending everything. Don't know if I'm going to do baby hairs. I'm doing baby hairs. I got to. So we're doing the last side. We're just going to put that on. You're going to put those steps. Get into it. And you see how the glue is on the cap? It's not on my hair, nothing. Like, that's why I like the nylon cap, because you can't even see the cap. You can't even see the cap, no cap. You feel me? So that's why the nylon cap is the truth. Like, literally, it's literally. Look at that cap on my head. Like, you don't even see my hair. It's just giving scalp. You understand? So that nylon cap is literally the truth. It's the truth. Trust me. Trust me when I say that. So you're going to do the little corners. You already know. Touch those up. You don't want to go out bad with your lace left on the corners, on the sides, or nowhere in the front. Just take your time. Like I said, it's a process. Trust the process. So we're going to repeat to the other side. Well, now I'm laying down the other side. You have to let that dryness on while I flip the other side. And you're just gonna put, yeah, I'm feeling this. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. Do you see that? So, test of truth. So, we're gonna test this, see how it melted. And I comb my baby hairs out. So, you know, I don't gotta do all that extra stuff. Melting. Baby, do you see that? It's giving scalp. Alright, so we're gonna pull your hair back. Look at this. It doesn't move. It don't move. I'm gonna pull it harder though. Boom. It don't move. Like, it's not going nowhere. Nowhere. It's not moving, shorty. And it's not even melted yet. Okay? So I'm taking my Shea Moisture Frizzy's Coral Mousse. And I'm gonna just my baby hairs. Baby hairs gotta get done. They're gonna get cut. They're gonna get done. Put that hair back, cut them baby hairs. You can do it as short or as long as you want to. You can make them dramatic. You can do whatever you want. Be creative. Be yourself. Don't let nobody tell you that your baby hairs is too much, because they're not, sis. You know what's crazy about people who tell you too much? They're not doing enough. Okay? So do what you want and make it work. Just gonna apply that mousse. Get it all on the hair. Don't worry about the wig moving when you put your mousse. It's not going nowhere, trust me. It's not going to move. It's not going to move. So let's swoop diddy doop these baby hairs. Giving them swoops. I like the extra dramatic swoops. Like if I could do it, like if I lay my wig right, I got a big forehead. So if I lay my wig right in the right spot, I can give myself the dramatic baby hairs. If I lay my wig too close to my, just too close where I have a super small forehead, I can't do all that. So I be trying to do it where I can do the dramatic baby hairs. So this is the process. So like I said, take your time. It's fast forwarding or whatever because nobody about to sit here for 30 minutes trying to do some baby hairs. So it's a process. Take your time. Do it to your desire, how you like it. Oh, Meltiana. Now we're going to put that scarf back on. I got bands. My next install video, you're going to see my band. You feel me? But for now, we're using this. Use whatever you got to melt that wig, baby. So the moment of truth, we about to find out what's good and what's tea with this. Like, melted. You already know. Like, it's a vibe. Can't tell me nothing. So I'm just combing it here. Like, I'm not styling it in this video. So I'm just combing it. This is the install, so I'm just showing y'all how to get it melted. And of course, you style as desired. I'm about to style it now. Off camera and all that good stuff. But yeah, like, this is the finished look. And it's giving scalp. It's not moving. It's not going nowhere. So I'm giving you a close-up to see how it's looking. You already know. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below and I'm checking my next video. Peace.